Hello, hello! Today I'm going to be unboxing for you what I got from Louis Vuitton while I was in Chicago. This is a little early birthday gift to myself, so if you want to see what I got, just keep watching. So I only got one item from Louis Vuitton because I was planning on going to Chanel afterward, which didn't happen because we could not find a parking spot. We were driving around for like 20 minutes and then it was about closing time, so I was like, oh, it's pointless. So we just went home. So I got one item, but I'm so in love with it and I cannot wait for you guys to see this. Here is the box. I'm gonna open it. Woo! You got a little receipt in here and then the bag. Can you guys have any guesses what it is? I actually showed this bag on my live probably a month ago. I had a couple of them saved on my phone. They didn't have one of the ones that I wanted to look at, but they had most of them, and I ended up going with this one because I just thought it was super unique, and I don't know what about it, but I freaking love it. Quickly, before I show you this bag, I want to show you one of my favorite Louis Vuitton items that I ever purchased. I use this all the time. It is the On The Go, but I love this one because it's two different colors, so you can flip it around depending what you're wearing, and it feels like you almost have two purses. But this is like one of my favorite purchases ever. Dun, 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 dun. So here's the bag that I ended up getting. This is the Multi Pochette Accessory bag, and this is in bicolor monogram. So it's the black leather with tan monogram print on it. They also had this in black and tan, and I was kind of debating between this one and the all black one, but I just really liked the black and the tan. I just thought it popped and it was fun, especially for summer. So this is the bag. So it comes with this little chain strap, so you can use it with just this strap if you want, just for like a shoulder bag. But then it also comes with a adjustable leather strap. So this is the adjustable leather strap. So let me click this on so you can see what that would look like. So this is the leather strap, which is adjustable. So it has these little button click-ins, whatever you want to call it. And you can just bring it all the way down here and then click it in. And then you have a longer strap if you want. How cool is that? So one thing I really like about the pochettes is they're so versatile. So if you don't want this front bag, you can actually click this off. This is like a two-piece bag. So it almost feels like you're getting two bags in one. So you can just click this off if you want. And then you just have the bigger bag, so I could just have this one. Or vice versa, you could get rid of this one and then just have the smaller bag. This is even small enough where you could use it as a wallet, which is really nice. And then this has gold accent all around, and then the interior is this really pretty suede ruby red color. Super beautiful. And then if we open the bigger bag, this is what it looks like. Got our little Louis Vuitton leather card in here. And this one has a little side pocket inside where the other one doesn't. So that's kind of nice. I'm going to click this back on and then I will show you what the bag looks like on. So here is what the purse looks like if you have the strap shortened. And then I will show you what it looks like when it's longer. And here is what the bag looks like with a longer strap. So cute. So this obviously is a smaller bag, so you can't fit a ton of stuff in it, which is perfect for me because I usually don't carry a lot of stuff with me. But just to compare it next to a phone, it's big enough to fit phone in it, keys, that's typically what I would use it for. I'd probably put my phone and some other things in the bigger side, and then I would throw my keys in the front pouch. Just a cute purse if you're going shopping really quick, or if you're gonna go out for a night or dinner or something. Just a nice, cute little handbag. But that's my little unboxing haul, my little early birthday gift to myself. Let me know if you guys like these videos. I'll definitely do more of them. Probably won't do a lot of luxury bag unboxings because I don't really buy a lot of them, usually just for a special occasion like my birthday or something. But I do like to do like fashion hauls and stuff like that. So if you guys want to see more videos like that or like this, just let me know and I will make some more videos like this. But thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Also, if you like luxury brands but you don't like to pay full price for luxury items, there is this really awesome website called Sparkle Bands where they upcycle used handbags and they make them into accessories like pouches, watch bands. I'm actually wearing one right now, which is why I got this purse because it matches the band. I will leave a link for this in the description, but they make all kinds of accessories and they're super affordable and they're super cute and really awesome quality. So if you want to check them out above in the description.